You can be a millionaire in just applying 3 easy steps. Watch the whole video to know how you can change your life in just 3 easy steps with life-changing wealth and live the life many only dream of. Because guys, as you know, I'm already traveling and living around for over 4 years right now. I lived in countries such as Dubai, Singapore, Thailand, Malaysia, Dublin, and of course right now I am here in Antalya, specifically in Alanya. If you don't know what Alanya is, let's look right now.
Oh, it's a beautiful day. Oh, don't let it slip away. Time that you walked out that door, tell me what you're waiting for. Oh.
Before we go further, I will tell you that in this video also, on top of that guys, I will mention how you can actually duplicate anyone's success in becoming wealthy. But first of all, the 3 points guys, the 3 very important key roles in becoming successfully is first, having a plan guys. You need to have a plan because everything starts with a plan guys. So this is the first rule. If you don't have any plan, start working on a plan. And I will explain you, if you watch this till the end, I will show you one of the plans that possibly could actually make you life-changing wealth faster than anyone could actually think. Step number 2 is call to action guys. Exactly like Cristiano Ronaldo has beautiful told, talent without work is nothing guys. So the second rule is plan to action. You need to take action guys. This is very important. Not only having a plan guys, if you have a plan, a great plan, but you don't take action guys on your plan, of course guys, then the plan is worthless. So the second rule is plan to action. And rule number 3 guys is dedication guys. Because having a plan, working on the plan, but having no dedication guys, eventually will not bring you to your ultimate target. Exactly like with fitness guys. You can have an idea guys to go fitnessing. You have a plan, you work a plan out in your head 4 times going to the fitness. You take call to action. You go to the fitness. But the first day after you went to the fitness and you didn't saw any kind of result guys, you start giving up. And this guys will not give you the results you was aiming for. So the rule to get successful guys is to not only have a plan, not only take action based on your plan, but most of all guys, to be dedicated. What also is another word for grit. You need to be dedicated in order to get your goal, to get to your goal guys. And I will tell you in this video, so stick here till the end, because I will show you how you can actually make a difference and get an example how you can achieve whatever you want, the success you're aiming for in just 3 easy steps. So keep watching further guys. So guys, one of the plans in order to get your dream car, it could be maybe a car like this Brabus or a car like this Range Rover, but everything is possible when you have a plan, take action, and above that guys, have dedication. And one of the plans to get to this is actually getting into crypto. Crypto is one of the plans. As you know, guys, crypto works into 4 cycles, 4-year cycles. And till now, guys, every 4 years we had a bear market, and after that we had a bull market. And a bear market is simply when the market is on its lowest peak before we entering the bull market, where everything is going to new highs. And if you are planning a 4-year cycles into your favor, where you buy during a bear market and having a plan to sell during the peak of the bull market, then guys, you could actually be one of the guys that having one of these dream cars of your own, guys. And so, guys, one of the coins that is actually right now having a possibility is, guys, Vpad. As you know, guys, Vpad is one of the leading coins right now in possible growth for many other companies, because there was never been a project that is fully influenced back and bringing the influencers, the power of the influencers all together in order to boost and to actually market any new project entering in the metaverse or the next version where the crypto space is going into. And Vlaunch is one of the leading influencers. As you know, Chris from Crypto has even won the influencer of the year for this year, guys, 2022. And as you know, Crypto was only and alone a taxi driver 4 years ago. And today, guys, he is one of the most successful influencers in the crypto space. And next to that, guys, he is also the CEO, one of the co-owners of Vpad. And his dedication, guys, brought him today where he is on his success of today, guys. And so we had talked about the 3 ways to get successful. One of the ways was having a plan, and Crypto had a plan. Next to that, you should call to action, and Crypto, Chris from Crypto, he went into action. And next to that is dedication, and Chris from Crypto was dedicated day after day in the last 4 years, guys. So what do you think someone with this background, someone with this strong ability to be dedicated, to has this potential to be successful, cannot bring his own project successful? Of course, guys. And next to that, guys, his platform is working with over 100 strongest influencers worldwide. And just knowing that, guys, just knowing that, we all know how much influencers, how powerful influencers are in a Bitcoin bull market. And so by that, if you buy crypto, if you buy Vpad during the lowest peak, during a bear market where we are right now, your future is actually secured, almost not guaranteed, guys, but you have a higher way, a higher success for yourself in the next Bitcoin bull market. But next to that, guys, there is of course more than only picking up one crypto coin. Step number 2 is call to action, guys. If I'm telling you I want to go on that mountain behind me, I need also to take action. And this is exactly with crypto, the crypto plan too. Telling you want to buy Vpad during the bear market, it's only a beautiful plan, and sell it during the buying Vpad during the bear market and selling Vpad during the bull market is a beautiful plan. But doing so, guys, taking action on your words is a whole different level. And so exactly like you say you want to do something, you do it too. And so by that, if Vpad is extremely low right now, if people are talking, we are right now at 17 cents, guys. And people are saying that Vpad went completely almost to zero. Then this is considered low. And if your plan was buying Vpad on its lowest point, when Vpad will be low, then right now, guys, the call to action is nearing out. So the second step is you need to also take action. You can buy in multiple phases. You can buy a third today, maybe a third in a couple of months, and another third next year, guys. So you are sure that eventually 2022 and 2023 should be normally the lowest points where crypto will go during a bear market cycle of 4 years. What means that 2024 and especially, guys, 2025 would be life changing for you and of course for many others that has benefited during buying in the bear market. And guys, very important will be dedication, guys, because if you want to get to the top of the mountain, yes, guys, you will struggle a lot. You will be out of breath, you will sweat as crazy, you will be extremely thirsty, you will be tired. But if you don't give up, guys, through all these temporarily challenges, eventually, guys, you will get to the top of the mountain. And that is the same with investing during this 4 years plan, guys. You will get into challenges. Once you take call to action, that will go with his challenges, because that is always related to each other. You will get sometimes struggles, not only struggles, guys. You will start doubting on your decisions, because sometimes it can get even more difficult, what reflects in a lower price range for Vpad. And by times, guys, you will feel like it doesn't go your way. You don't see any improvement, guys. But if you keep being dedicated during this time, keep having this big picture in your head where your life could be in now and a couple of years from today, how this life-changing wealth could improve your life, and not only yours but also the life of your family and your surroundings, how you could be in another position by keeping you dedicated, by not giving up, then, guys, you know what will happen? You will reach it, guys. And that is the power when you combine these three things together. Having a plan, it all started to get to the top of this mountain with just a single plan, guys, that I today wanted to walk on this mountain. The second step I did was I took action. And because I took action, guys, I was already in the right direction. And while I was going up, I was facing multiple challenges where I was thinking, why do I do all this? It's a very warm day today, so I am very tired to actually walk all that way, and it's very sweaty, guys. Of course, you don't see here a lot of sweat right now because I have multiple times needed to wipe my face so that the sweat doesn't get to my eyes. As you know, I have an eye illness, and so this could actually worsen the eye illness. But no matter what challenges I was facing, I kept going, and eventually, thanks to my dedication, I came and arrived on this top of the mountain exactly like what I have planned. And when you do that with anything in the world, guys, your chances in becoming successful get each time more luckier with the new try you are taking. And so the only way to achieve your goals is to be dedicated on your plan. If your plan is buying Vpad on its lowest point during the bear market, here we are in the bear market, and here Vpad is extremely low considered previous with the bull market. And so right now the call to action is waiting on you. And next, after the call to action, you need to be dedicated, understand it, understand why it will go up, when it will go up. No matter what happens, any lower price targets, you just dollar average, what means you buy more in during the price goes down. And by that, guys, your average entry price will be even lower. And when you don't sell your Vpads till the next Bitcoin bull market, then guys, you remember these two cars that we saw? I will put it here, guys. If that is your dream cars, then you could maybe be one of the lucky owners of these cars. If your dream is to travel around the world, then you can be able to do that. If your dream is to buy a luxurious house, then you will be able to do that. If your dream is just becoming financial independent and financial wealthy for the rest of your lifetime by never needing to go working again and living below your means, then this is one of the possible scenarios you actually can take. But you will need, no matter what direction, no matter what kind of solution or project or idea you have, you will need to have these three valuable features, these three valuable points. And that is having a plan, call to action, and most important of all is dedication. Thank you very much to watch my video till the end. This is already, when you have watched this video till the end, then felicitations, because you are already doing what many people never do, is watching videos, content till the very last end, because you know that there could be maybe something important that you could miss on to be going too fast. And going too fast in life most often never ends well. So keep doing the good work. I want to thank you to watch my content till the end. If my content has helped you at any way or shape, any of my previous content, guys, please give me a like, guys. Please share this to your community, us, and to many more communities, to spread this information to as many possible people, to educate them the right way and give them also an opportunity. And by doing that, guys, you not help only me, but you also maybe was the cause to help someone you even didn't know about. And by doing that, guys, always remember, whatever you put in this world will come you twice and 10 times back. Karma is a real thing. And I believe that your action, you will be successful very soon, guys. So never give up. Keep on going, because you never know. Maybe your success is just on the corner waiting for one last single try. Thank you very much to watch my video, and I see you in the next one. Bye bye.